name is Emma and I'm going to teach you how to stretch. So first we're going to just do this to really get those hamstrings. And then you're just going to open up and then go to the right, to the left, to the middle. And then we're just going to put our legs together and lift one leg up, then bring the other one, and then balance. And then you can bring it back in and open them and just go beat, beat, open. Beat, beat, open. And now we're going to practice our kicks. And left. And right. And right. And left. And right.